Bia 7 a.m. Ekosi 8 a.m. Yedin komo fa Ghana ho. Yedin komo mpotem ahodo de amanyofo ka. De obonkrata ahodo no de be dwaman so. Yewia ne abie phone lines na wo so ba bia wo bia wo de wadwenkyere no aba beto so amaye kama. Yemfa seda no pay Emma Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic. Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic ya yaresabia papa ewo enkrani kumase. Yesanya no wabi to say awo ho asema ye den. Say your prostrate na tete wo se bema premature ejaculation intini or how kidney liver. Bia na wo de e stroke bi na wo pese ye ma physiotherapy. Woni paduane ya oya brane entwetwe ye massage o kama ma oni paduane sisi ne ho so. Enkran Spinters Road Shell signboard ho na be hunu Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic. Saranso na kronoma bo hia wo kumase ho so ko ho ma nsa beka wo mo. Fred Dr. Dubuatin na pam for 0244867068 0244867068. Koho sisi na kokogye ayarehwe papa na kasa natural mineral water nso nsu krogen ensuo papa ye de abadwaman so say parties na ekoso wedding engagement event bia ye de nsuo esoma hoho wase me pacho pe kasa natural mineral water ne bi na fedi ujuma eye Kasaloma Ventures for a one cry Taifa Hospital back hospital nechi horoma ho na obehunu Kasaloma Ventures so for 0206469430 awon sabeka wo mo 0206469430 na wodema na 0303965780 Sompa 106.5 FM Accra. Me patro your client service line da so ye adwuma wo say bia wo product bia pese ye bohu de ro wo program bia pese wo be ye ana say bia bibi etisa ye ma rate card ye ncheche oniema ni so program pese wo de wadweton de beto so ene enkomo bi ye wo honom say bia bia wo no so wonte ye nkan ye na obema ye feedback na me patro betimi afọ your client service line no na woni ye edi nkomo 0531886216 0531886216 now the movie abora haja special local food to honum na kwaje aduane papa ne dia no pay eno mwotwe boy ya na haja wa set ne bibia kama etuamu a kopem 8:30 bebia bi haja eye bi ewo na kachi local food di age se die ni din hacho atomic kwan no so transition funeral home ben ho dru ho na bi so obi asa ko haja special local food and pacho wombe chiro honum 024635 99210246359921 Nimakui adawurma ena yatransia no peya ye babidi enkomodoma nkoma chiame Obrempong na kwaku mpoma atnase yenko na de obonkrata hodo ya abanonso no yenhwe na yeni ehunkomo kwaku nie
Adwoa nie
efie boko
ihu atiase na wanso
adom ene ehumobro
da trade ampan na se
adom
na dawroma
ane edu
onkoso anye yesi ya
sa pepe enen so ye Tuesday
oh yeah
ye do Tuesday sadia na
definitely
class no
muye
ya tenase
muye pa
nti ebusu afọ momra so ni ntimi market register no
no
we market register na be sure say by now eja ni mumu ne
urobon
no money
ma ka nyina ejinejinem
wo mu nyina ejinejinem Collins no money
ebe na mono
wo mu nyina tna class ya headmistress meti adwam
fantastic
headmistress enemia na me market register no na class prefect
everyday class prefect
right the one krata na ba yenhwe na yembobo so bitewu naija
ajana ene nkomo ho
nkomo ho seja yenra meyi bawa de bae say Ashanti region nkrofo bi no mo ne ade adwadifuo yi se Ghana ha ne ma wo mo ye ne de ano modin so kakra emre bi atwam yesi abonten aduane ehu ba se ne fie aduane no kura yehu chen abonten because wo so kwa koto eyi atosode no ne niema no wankasa waba benua ewo fie no niema no nyina ye nuru contaminated enti ye behwe na ye di hu nkomo na ye hunu se de no mesifa e konti ye nhya ase ewo baby apeso di ye free
na ye keka bomu tew na mame 5 pe na ye nkangum na ye fa de akangugu akire ho mame fa daily graphic fan shase na daily graphic no de aba ha sei na wo kire se akopie mu page 13 Boku senior high school student ya wo mo ekoye dede gidigidi ewo ho say crackdown because of examination malpractice eno ho nkomo wo de nsem no e de aba page 13 wo ha se a enye asem kuma na wo de aba page 13 ho no a easy asemo me say kuma ha se bajuo ya temuda abato komisa ne deputies mienu wasi wo mu nyina wo leave ana abaso komisa dan kasa mu wasi adwuma no wagyae wono ana de ne ho adwuma no wagyae a oye no hwenye yi sa manfo asha manfo de petition ku ya manfo kana manfo bi gwachiri ena wono kura wonya adwuma ikura nto no nkwa na adwuma wo kana kura ti ai na wote ho na ye wadwuma enti wa betena ya bato komisa adwuma mu na se ye pampam ye so nsuo gu so a kotena ba bia no so tiwo no aye isa
koso after eyi no pressure ben biom na asan ba ho no
won say etoda ho elimination by rough tactics no pressure no de maaye na so kwan be fa so be yi wadi no na mo hwe saloto sei
senkrofo kura se maame na mu an wo mo expect ne de enti no
maame jimenza wonu so asi wajuma no asi wajai sare ne enti ya
debi se eyi Bosman Asare ne eyi Samuel Tete ena wo mo de ba e no
wo mo de ese wo mo ko leave wo mo de ne yesi ye leave na emom commissioner na ngasa de so de adwuma na to
tiu I don't know the graphic Troy but the daily guy Troy no or see the deputy chairperson of the electoral commission in charge of corporate services Dr. Bosman Asare has resigned from his position and will leave office on July 31.
Okay.
Ain't no oma confirm the resignation no say no ayira Felix Kwachu
Samuel Tete kran so de na ka ho
enna asie hanso Tete de na mehwe
wo nya ho no ho ayo ene ye yenko no say former CJ so no anonsia ka se no ye kan ye
yes
so no so say council of state want na so bio
yes
okay eno kan na edu mi no ka se no mo ambo wono so wa wono so reason
but I don't know what's constituting resignation
nyame be kan ho adwa na
but I mean maame no kra de end me problem wo ho because sometimes no be ka say be politics near there but to the adwuma no yeah you need rest say maame no ni mfia kwa enim
why Supreme Court in fact was say frase ho why George sa be Supreme Court George esan dia nam so be Chief Justice we wait na ho megye mu so amoso nsa me Council of State so why kakra fe ne fa aye da nyame ase ne nyina aye na maame nko inside Africa na nka me kwa akofa semofo adwempo wo daily graphic na inside Africa asem bia mani aboso wo ho na ase me so interesting 17 people killed by gunmen in northwestern Nigeria and inside Africa yakunipa dun so no yawra hosem na xenophobic attacks are hurting South Africa's image abroad na aya mama reserve me comment we omo minister ba kona we dey asem we atoje ya
anoka South Africa fonde nim di omo pachi
your friend Mamoloko Kubai South African mama nya na
omo next game ne kura ida be
South Africa I think say it does a weekend here na say chana there be omo bebo ye bebo ansa no omo
omo ne
Czech Republic.
We'll take them back to their country.
Yes, they will come back.
We'll send them back
to their country. Now, some of what jumpo, our daily graphic, him watch they say. Mabunu ni adisuafu ekoye gidigidi. Ewo boku senior high school no. Yenchi won the empanish wo. Asimbi ensi. Me de wo ko na makwa gina mu wo page 3 ho na asam kase be gina. No wrongdoings in big push contracts. We hear report we buy.
Yeah.
So no and you see we nye. Felix Kwachu for symphony da ha. And we just say mampania order tougher single sourcing rules. And so nko bia
no contractor ade so on ba mo say contracts worth 1,441. E buy ye say de ye de ma competitive bidding 1,310. It's not just a so sourced contracts no. Hey kume bi. Just say the woman no kura na enru eyi.
Oh ya ko fa se mamre. Oh ya menkrofo enya nsem.
Me enru report o mo de buy na no asem na me ka kire o se.
Bi ne wakobosu yi a o ka enru eyi. Wakobosu o pese o ya na ne metefa ho.
Enti wo mo nkan kire 434.
Esede.
Any media foundation. Essay.
Ye ka kire o menye yi. Adwoa one more opposition catch say so ye bone adentina mu ye bie
na me say that be
no amount of defense
contracts
ba ko ye bone bia ye bone
contract sum 1,400 and
so sen almost so sen ye krono okuje to black kwa be catch say so sen ye krono Sam George be catch say so sen ye krono Sam Jamfi be catch say so sen ye krono energy minister bondi mame John Abdullah Jinapon na doctor wo mu be ka chese so sen kwan fa so de bokro no
me pacho 90.28%.
82% no e ka ho no de bokro no
90.28 eye contract de ma competitive bidding
0.78 no a wo de ma so sen no de bokro no obeku bia ka ho na obeku bia ka
de bokro no sese
according to wo mo ano wo mo see so sen kwan fa so de bokro no enti maba no mabe bia nya no krono no mabo to aswe
Debbie
Adwoa
Debbie no the thing is me no
bra
me issue ni say
bra
mo be ka kire ye say eye for investigations o me ye for tested any media foundation for mo say abaya so say big push contracts nyina
bebre no a
mo say Debbie contract na yen ka say bia yen so say bi kura
o ma ye bi o me de bia bokro no
but the krono sesen
ani wo ka ye no yo mo ka ye no no mo position mo so say ye krono enti mo ye so say ye krono Adwoa wano klono a wo de ka ye no sanfo wano klono yi ano wano klono a wo de ka ye no sanfo wano klono wa be yi ano
wa mu he enne da he over 90%
voices ni bi mawana
over 90% of
voices ni bi mawana okuje tabla kwa de wum Sam George de wum Sam Jamfi de wum Abdullah Jinapon de wum Mampani Mahama kura de wum
na sa won so ya we said there is no way aban ebe ma contract wa bre bi a contract ni bi ne yen so
so dia na wo mo di gina ye no ni edu mu gina ho Bible ne ka say Israel for no want susu kru wa be susu na no na be susu dia ma wo enti wo mo ka kire say so sen ye kwan ye fa so de bokro no enti ne wo mo ye so sen 0.78% ye krono ye krono
koyen ni
Hi, Mr. Politics, I did to you. That's what we teach you. Supporters teach you. Anyway, ni okay. Anyway, source contract saga. Presidency absorbs road ministry.
And your times.
And your Ghanaian times. You are the buyer. IGP deploys person. Say I say actually abante bako. UCC. Oh yeah. And now they are UCC abaya
one story.
And then me tena se ya na nkrofo no ma me notification say prosifu achi nipa baako. E wa ha. Enti midday wo mo hwe ya nim ye de ba. E na IGP ya deploy special team no a bo so kra wa hai. E wo page 3 e wo Ghanaian Times mu. Na so ne amate I stand to be corrected but from a very closed source. E kire say achi nipa baako. E wo ha se ye de ho nsem be ba hwe nkrofo na hyase say am Daily Post. Dey so no. Mo de ye kama asem am me ye nka nwie da. Oh.
Me pa mo cho mo amo free
mo ntwen
pa 7:30 mo e pa mo cho
Professor watia ba bi ofo ni da dai e no wa kire say Adwoa a cake adwin na we yetirim say no de ye flood control no emwan
Okay.
A cake. Or say a cake. What do you old flood?
A bit setting.
Maybe. Old flood control methods ineffective. Dredging drains, partial demolition. Inadequate. Ya bubu da ya bubu.
So fine.
Odo river.
Ya timu.
So still it's
not just say you hear more lasting measures.
Radical approach business. Say heads must roll. Ni ono ma ode 2 minima obi ma ne kwaye ne a oye no. Ono na ese edi kan twa so firi ho. Adwe yete hey. Say obi ama obi ma utumi se sebi obe kan sem hunu a. Ne a wo ma wo se atumi ni yemfre no. Ansa na wo nso so aye ya frɛ waka ho. Na we de wo abaye ne ye twen waso wi na ne o ma atumi ne guso te ho. Na oguso ma nkrofo atumi mo. Eno na Ghanaian Times say Professor Otia Babiu wodi abahasi a wo chese enye no. Nkrofo na san kan ho Daily Post fo. Da bia wo mo yinki say ye paper so ne ye ho ne ye table so hwe ne aya ha. Daily Post fo. One more day, about Coco Body CEO say, Yan na yenye, we say they call for greater trust and unity in Ghana Cote d'Ivoire Cocoa partnership. So more eguso and sign pact no bia. Nti one more come one boom na my partnership na ja. One more team abo. Name more of referee. Za Ghana for munya GD ni abreshemu. Ewo mu se be koye. Dr. Randy Abi nimfoni eda hasia enya asem kuma. Na Mahama Cares no Ghana Medical Trust Fund no. One more say enya 6.1 million. Ede free salaries Mahama ne na appointees salaries ma oma gbomodia donate 6.1 million Ghana cedis e de akwakotu mu enya asem kuma samo tete ni mfoni na da ha yutimi sa ha de yi ahawase Dr. Kofi Oduro pa
wine
samo tete you to ask Dr. Kofi Oduro pa
yeah
ni mfoni na ha na boss man sa university ni tase se ni fugu kama o se adwuma no ma na buy mon famo juma Daily Post no adwa me di wie kura e wo Chronicle na say me ka say e bonito Chronicle ai Razak Kojepoku kane ona na da concerned voters movement ano ono kura ko NL ho kakra e ko ye adwuma ho kakra ne mfoni na da he wo chese lotto operators confirm KGL market dominance international KGL for one more year adwuma pa eno mfoni e wa ha over 90% of 2025-2026 route contracts awarded on merit eno agboja mfoni na egboja wa ha sei ye ho nsem kakra enso wa ha sei ya bobo mo no na ne ye kan se kakra na we chi on de bokro no eno according to omo asem wom de bokro no police ya chi adwa say ukọ framanta mu asese di enubone no ya agensam o show press for ne o makoche nwa 5039 parcels we a voter cocaine sa eni ade atoso no voter cocaine there be mamunyi di mbone ma yensa o e
wo voter die
die so no yati wo yempe ye ho asem
regional commander
wambe ya madakuru ye di radar na be kwa akoto ho because nkrofo bi di di
ho mehu sesese no mehu se ehọ no jo omuhu se ehọ no jo nti na ye ya na ye di afa ho ye ya na ye di afa ho
na se presifo no so ehu se nkrofo no ya plan ehọ nti na ye ya na omuso mache nti ye mo presifo no so abaso se ba na o mache na me kwetwam dia na me nya ntwa anka me bi to ko ka wanzam me na me se me ye lawyer ma obi me se me nya biem a high court fa ho be
da bi se enura na eyi wo hene yere etwema adwen asi bibi so na wo se ne enti a court no ebebo asem no tugu ye no because wo ba bedi lawyer no wo nye court no na ma wo se kodi lawyer mu obi mpacho wate dem mpacho na se obi na abefa as lawyer to nasem na wo lawyer ni ne se asem no wo na nto aso bi enti court ne ba mu wo hen
anu de no kure
what you say exactly but na me can be say emi say baby asem no aduru no because issue iba ya nyene na baby a o matwea kwa koduro yi
adwa sansem no secret bi wa kire
o say
ene u jam ni nti a so reason u jam mebo so na mbb for mu serious ba akokra mbb4 they are almost serious
ba mo choche ma wuntumi asem ne yeken
na asem na meken
samra boy mining case
ai page 2 na asem ne wo high court dismisses wuntumi lawyers application na me say asem no se na wu jame ahwa me de ho me do mba ye nkomo wa ha ne meetings bi e call so kasa kire wo yire nyina ba mu kasa kire wo yire enyo na ba ka kire me se me kasa kire me yire Yeah, nunti.
Hey.
Me say MPP for you serious one on serious political party or Ghana. MPP for. Now alternative we you go alternative am so mti akire ho ko.
Efa
Now dem meba you do akire family video be tro dem so mu serious. Me de be akire.
Say crofo say from fine. Na me say o debi. Ade na Ghana for pesa ade.
They na from front.
Ade na omo pesa.
Aju akire den ya.
Ade na mo eto da nipa bitimi ko pasem sa. Obi afa ne lawyer. O say.
Ade. Say me offer so oni ase.
Oh. Eni ya bo obi foforo din.
Why no mabodi?
Want it?
Why no
yeah, papa no.
Papa yeah.
Oh. Former works and housing.
Atatia.
Oh, boy, yeah, buakwa former.
Anya papa ya dubu ahin lawyer no. Dubu ahin na yire lawyer no. Omuka so omo pedi bi.
Baby say lawyer and the appear could be a adwuma na kudru no. Ya hire Samuel Atachia. Lawyer. So on to.
Na dubu ahin na dey akosi.
Ose.
Dubu ahin case na dey akosi.
Enso mu wi.
Yehu abeke ho. Ajama me ko nim na me fuma no nsi why na. Ebre ni ho. Na radio so aye desa no. Chronicles am for adwon dey aba na o che say no kure say Ghana e food security e beko yie pa e betimi agina ya isa ban de sikashem. Say aduane sem no beko yia. Na no say aban kwentabufu de bae. Wo se jabidie.
Driving inflation.
Unim ni ntia. Restaurant for on gas because see gas boy there.
Exactly.
Na no say maka say mba ompotem ho mienu ni nyina na bi ni ho. Baby am ko chini ko pay e kwa yam ko nya bi na nya asem kuma.
Said da no me kan wa ha. Mo statement man maka chom say aduane tonfo no. Bidie no wo mu so.
No.
Bidie.
Enti say mu dia roast do mbetwa. Wa odum sapele. Ni nyina wo mbetwa. Say wo ya de. One person de brefre nyina e hye bidie.
We na de aye no nso no na ma aduane so boaye den because
bidie ne boaye.
Exactly.
Say na say odum ankoma crispy.
Na imagine say o ya abenkwan make restaurant hwe nkwan a wo moye na so de sa beda the same size ahe no
na nka te kwan a ame a oyem bebi
o de si gas so hey
ya no kwa pe say wo mti akire ye ka MPP for asem so mti akire ho ka edi atemo
o de si gas so o betimi atua What's your chair?
No. Why?
It's a corona daily guide the buy. EC Deputy Chair Bossman Asare resigns and no page 3. Court throws out appear could be wound to me highest attaching. Was Samurai boy legal mining case no and
as they say, I say one high attaching. Now court to say 1 yes I applicate. They say what bad.
So a high will be for.
Over
90% of road projects awarded competitively are by Neka Ira Kwame governs. Abuja Court rejects OSP's plea to halt no power to prosecute ruling. Really? Enti eno so ho asem wa ha na story bi wo kratafa etoso nsian eno no me reserve ne mpesa me fa course ne ntem se de be ya yebenya bre na yedi yenkomo Black Sheriff akopie mu o Black Stars of Ghana wo mo camp ahead of Panama clash and I hope say din za na ebo no enti wo mo ene na ye enije kwakukila don't lie when I say I did Enti was a blasters for no. They will not lie when they say they will catch Panama and score them.
Now, Oman to me and say Panama on baby view. Oman to me and say Panama.
Oh, don't say that.
Mrs. Woman to me and say Panama.
Any I say kukila abum enti no don't worry.
Into
you be kill bibia. Enti e me no nya o dadwene krampa cho etie for emremu na yentoa enkomo no eso me pacho ba 1 minute 30 seconds ene me fa course ne ntem wahu 1 minute 30 seconds uwie ya na jese wona okono 0260196064 0260196065 0260196064 Hello, good morning.
Good morning. Mili abane to say
Nyame adumo na wonso
Yakupa dom. Meso me ho ye papa. Unu ya
Collins.
Amamole. Mo uni ni ampa. Yakupo Israel. Se me di ka bo kokon abo amane se Yakupo ya aduma the deputy communication officer. E wo Trubu constituency. bo mefa campaign manager boss Asare ni 30 anya ni wanwa na we be ka say aban we na 30 won onya nu ho obedu ho kene mo onya nu ho ni boss Asare any 30 including electoral commission omo chairperson akasa ye ni omo ha na mo ye nyoma tuka sha lolofi apafo ni pe e dey see wo he bigger under 21st century say the electoral commission je me sani ni two deputies we say mu to aba e ma mu MP na mu president as wa 2020 election ye wo hana covid ABC o ma 2019 ko 2020 je me say agabraka ye fanya ye we mu ye ko register amanfo ka ye osuka amanfo kan nyina je me say ono yo peno beye ampraso oyeye ye chatwo eye net abatwa ye to ye je me say bubu abaye ade chia no abobọ fufuro ni nyina kombra no omo ana ye kaba bia na omo bo ede mu amanyoku bia ni ye nyina ye nim e me da sori ya mu bi resign mu bi ko retire mu ko retire emra no wo mo mbra na mu be sisi etie ma mi je me say omo kworo na wo so sisa uku kaka na wo de omachi mu kokwa emra no ni mu be di pampe Amicha Justice Yeboah incoming National Deputy of
Collins Medasipi Anope. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Adwoa.
Maybe I join me. Yeah. Akafia.
Mo onene. Ma etia Sompa 106.5 ni na FF4. Ntime mo obi enya obi. Because mo nyina mo kwanchuma. Ne pa kwanya kase anentia onabo ma cheja akwa oba national chairman NPP. Jasikodia maintain General Secretary Naomi Owusu Greater Accra organizer Adwoa Asare Obrempong Director of Communication and Moses also Greater Accra organizer. I go say one baby na one Obrempong ka so na I say I go say who defend NDC.
Min defendi obia. Min defendi abai.
I go say all say na Obrempong asem ono Obrempong asem na o kan o jina bibi so ada o kan aso na say die onye bibi asem die asem o kan na ya no pre sara meta eye krono no mabo NDC eye krono because on can say so MPP omo the block no na wapa na wuye bia ana krono ene oba yi ni Ibrahim obedi aba bia no auto play the first time oba auto play the second time was out to play enyuma akase e wo Ghana enyina omo so wo ye contract awuska wo pia ni nyina de amano Ghana po nyina yi na na sabi ono de ya nworo etize wo ma obi adwuma
Akafia Wobreno Ason 0260196064 0260196065. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Yes. Adom na unswe.
Nyame guso sheme. Akawo na mampani di amba ya bwa. Voice kura ni kumi. Nyakopon kan.
Nana yo yinti.
One voice no dia.
Nana yo.
There be what to pay it to.
Yeah, ready.
I don't make question on here. Maybe you are better than I am. Maybe no cry.
No crosser.
Baby, for my infinity.
All right, I'm into you.
Mammy, for what so I'm a motive for staff abaso. I'm a Dr. Moba for National Vice. Justice Yeboah, and also by a deputy organizer, and a Kwachuta and also called Deputy Communication National. The chairman to say that now I'm Adwoa Asare communication and a policy commission Mr. Brown, your born about open Odapa, Emide, say Adwoa Asare, any minimum I show my Juma as in saying, Emide Pa. Naka, a cuckoo dambi. Sir, MPP communicator now, no, Buna Hafuna, yeah, pointy and the local second, a corner, a Jane Mensa. Omo nyina ko so mutai because adwuma no omo ye no omo fa nyamsuro e na ye adwuma no omo fa pepepe ye enfa ye adwuma no omo nye adwuma as a Ghanaian as an independent omo nye adwuma ne sa omo ye na adwuma no as omo free political party bi a be hye ho etu omo nyina omo free ho ni enfa nipa omo nyi wo nyamsuro no be gina fifi enko hye ho no omo nye adwuma so mo man Ghana na Ghana ka nye ka because aban papa eba yi ne ntotu ye ba ama bibi ekoyi we ni aban papa ye bo na baso onko so ano onye obi nto aso
no krasa meda CP. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Adwoa.
E pacho wine me hia no.
What is any different?
Nyame adum pacho na unso e. E free fa.
I will free for Cantaman. Thank you. Bumo, and yes, my papa, my boy, my Ghana, and go on Islam, or Mamma Ghana, yes, actually, for you now. And here, the papa was here, incoming national chairman MPP. They are ready at the Eka and said delegates. To a initiation, and one of the Equitarian. But at the same moment, a boy and a watch it up, no bad chairman. Now you see young Kambumu, yet in the power of friend is a Mammoth an hour. Yo, many are by maybe the ambassador Kaka Crane, a neighbor's man here. Million students in the Kaka Pound. Yeah, the Uganda animal. And the British from Yura Mahamaka said, what in the judges, almost when you don't go to no bar, almost this lawyers is like a normal a magic pool to you. And okay, I hear the day, if you were near one that much more, and so for anything being or society, so the sacking on what sacking on. Let them do you not come with him. There's a DBA and all be a more present in the DB or no other. You want in the in more somebody can achieve justice or no, you know. And Mammy so resign. And somewhere across to Honor, Uncle Caman, I don't know, sorry, and they say, oh, the baby, Mamma, for Yandies in one. You know, Hanmo, the book I say, oh, you understand, Yana, near Monquam with the idea. You are about the other two, where you to what and they say, and you want to all for out go for you go, not Ghana for him, Kawa, young Kawa, and the woman you be a baby, and say, you're Ghana, I'm not dead, you could get tomorrow. And this is judging to make us I didn't do much every day. In the movie 15 years, you know, what about 15 years, and go on my 8 years, 8 months. And the end is the president of your man with Mammy, as a woman, Mammy, or Boko, near 10 years. One day, also on your plea, you know, Mamma, the French, would make us have to cry.
A free family that CP from Cantamanto. Hello, good morning.
Oba hima anope of stars from the enka onu a pound for our studio.
Enka wonso ebeni.
The pacho nye ebena. Pacho within the nana amwa kwa meka
so boy. Eh na den na anope dia sa wo voice yi eda from boko ti say ebeni.
Pacho ebeni e me million.
Ana e come de wo.
E come ne de. E come ne na me na aho.
Oh, yinti we.
The incoming national chairman, you know, honorable watch it, a Jaco, the Grammy, 10 minutes of Smoothie. The other one says, tell me, yet of my Ghana, now, foreigner, acquire passport, Ghana passport. Not the, you know, the airport of the only people in Yagani, not a whole IP, and the tax, a passport, you know, office on only about a young home. In the airport office now, passport and effort now, what am I station on? But you know, Dano, foreign that Nigeria acquire passport. Not the you say. People now integration or you need a foreign or you're going to keep all money on your passport manner. A whole MP, got a question. I'm money part of the Penino office.
But what the bear now walking?
Last week, he asked them and I'm making.
Last week.
Last Friday, we asked them and I'm making.
Ah, what dancing?
Oh, Kata, also, Mr. Adam, young customer, from my area, dance you. Young customer, a dance, our Ghana. Upa, the airport, Papa, not for Daniels of Bakasana. If you can't walk to Bakasa, Yah, Papa, from a young after my Ghana. Say, your man, the mind, yet to a man, I'm a whole. Not paying no more or permanently all my or Ghana passport. After getting near, not a whole
na namu akomeda sasa asemi yebehye na yedi akire na nokure bi ewom no nso no yehunu se ye nokure se Yakobo eyi tema passport office penyinipa woda no eno so yebehye na yedi hu nkomo. Hello, good morning.
Yeah. ADC ni because abede. Mukopa alateni ebejira COVID time. Eji chika uneska. Eji obia Minister of Health. Prime Minister obia so ni papa okofa ni pan ba ya kwapo ye job ehwendi ma chika uskenya ede koe. Wona usu ni nhwe. Ma se check se ma ju ashama. Oko communication officer de pacho. Ashama kwi. Eji ashama ju ashama ma ashama ja ko para. Mutumanu. And calling Amamali Chubu constituency party. Ethiopia Academy. Now I'm only for one to Abama branch area. And of course, Munse and Koye, and the deputy communication officer Montuman, and I bind Contactamaso, deputy communication officer, also Montumano, also Kwana, Yahuza, Almighty Yahuza, for the Gaza to me, and a second member, or can't know, Nana Kwame. Sir, I am it there. Nana, Bosman, or resign. Uyi, onse adroji na ekrom no, eye krono adroji no, eni mama apa enko. Unse chief that is former want to resign. Because sisia no eni ye enko. Eji say resign. Enti aka Jementa onse account because 2020 mun say on the recording and the declare result. Or that general for mun kan general for mun kan 2020 or si mun shanwo eni pa and so you know the recording and then that way result good evening or good afternoon. Mom, it's a musu and a bomb without the emission with tomorrow. Bye bye.
Menso Medasi ABC. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Sompa Adwoa de Pana. What is saying?
Eradi Adom na onso e.
Adom ni ake yi afi na odofo na ba ntibo ni bi.
Eben. Bajo maminti ofri kwa benya.
Medase. Wa mami akwenye. Mami nchia Honorable Julodo Debra say odwin grassroots Nyankopon kan na MP Honorable Ekwema Plugu na no pay na MC Yoma Kambo na great machine e di juma pa e wo da mukwa benya mpeso at na min kom na min tre road and highway say here big push it man and to contract and mission asien temai na juma pa ntimi nkoso na nye big kwa na big do so na men country the incoming deputy communication officer national could you down kwa me bona baso papa and say nkumudi be ni ya na follow who no road on obo ashimo na men kano ni aba you see one said the NPP is not learning na senior we unya be man kind of yampa they are not serious as a party so what you say the so-called opposition you sit back you strategize no about with full force but the behavior of the current NPP which are somewhat mature opposition at least a man check for 40 years because senior papa attack the car you know the NDC the NPP currently they don't deserve power because you have your bit now mind. No one that said former President Kufuor the 126 ministers by Umbe Kono na a kabubro na mudia o my public critical giving enough the next Ghana for the NDC and the developmental party or power Nyamakui and national no say you are cheaper to say so what has a high sense no the NDC nebet na bonado me wa ko better change Russia Ukraine war now see by wo aye ekoso nso hwe ye cheaper to say who at the founding amenya juma
Menso Medase Eben. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, mini abana bum tiseo.
Eradi Adom na onso e.
Nyame na from the media na kwa me amesrebe ni bo na no pa nyame asun gen kan no nkoso nyam kese na ba be you chief of staff obi amechia no na you just say boa eduma pa wo ya ma party no enu nyuma pa wo ya bo mai no ebi ekonya okọ deputy organizer nti yen support no national deputy organizer yen support no na omeboa party na akra meka ne se yeah MPP for the bibi enu abaya be de be mo fe o hwe ne ma papa yoga John Doman mama oba o ye en ne fuel hwe ba bia ne price da en ne hwe dollar en the switch na de gina
So what I say, in this annual man or man, yes, show. Yes, you should some yes, the way will be called near my bar. And that's the first thing will be cranium man and your position. Because every week, be an answer every day, be an $1 necessary. But then, Oko Busumi and is young crowd so the banner, dollar may do granny. Sunny a man, yes, near Nasabre and so to him. Now we are not master. I buy one Salama to boil a good bottom. Young to boil a good bottom. In the answer, the way they be a wounded. Near dice and near Mano. But you see a dice, yes, I see. But you are to us, I say. But you see a dan, the ancient answer. I know that one man at me there to pong. The beer and why a buy young buy no see as it is to my the beer no bit my why. But I say, and the social media, a bear and dear you. Social media and some fata.
Nana Kwame Meda CP Anope me fa 3 more calls na media C. Hello, good morning.
Hey, my lucky papa. I just said I want baby.
I was it what?
I just said I want baby. But don't wear there.
Erade adom na so e.
Yeah, the kadi ampo nyango pa.
Oba line so pena me vem kura akos.
No be a feeling man.
Robo enti wa no be.
Obrempong apam dada Jerry.
Obia ho ye.
Obia ho ye de.
Obia ho ye.
Ya min sham papa pa. Aya wi atam no be ma me de no. Yo, me pa cho yan start. Eno de mfa nka me tam no. Ye start. Greater kai wo senza. Na wo mi okoso ewusu. Ababa wa no. MPP for ye serious me pe power ba. And now Obrempong kai ye serious. Ye serious wa. Na wo mi akoso ewusu. Greater Accra Women Organizer. Wafa. Na we me da ho ka. Bo cheje akon national chairman. Sepatan papa. National chairman die. Phobia. Phobia we yin. Woni mu die. Ni mu die. Ati se bo cheje akon. Enti bo cheje akon fa. Adwoa Asare akon communication director. Abranted bojuma papa. Nyame hia no. Da cheje me. Ba wo mia. Ba bibia obia nyame hia wo. God, you want sorry. Electoral Commission, a training now. Mbajo Nidino.
Bossman Asare.
I had a day with it. And why couldn't wait in a day? More data, my Johnny Otom. I knew that we could check Brother Mama Crawadi. You knew all by 1 man the crow be you with it. And the master would say, Montraso, President Mama, and Catherine with the man are running at it. Near Biaka. Now, what you want there? Ever in your binka. And Diana, Papa, my Madam Chair Lady. My President Mamma and Catherine with it. Nay, and yet, hospital, Akawe Hospital. My Adwoa Asare Hospital. I could for do it. Here, Oba, down, President Mamma, so me have no doubt. Let's not come once and why I want to come grab a pet.
But you're Nyaka. Orobo Meda CP 2 more calls. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Me pacho wine mention. Adumu.
Yeah, that's it. I know fire. It's a question man.
O fire into your free question.
That be one of you. I'm in trouble when I'm here. Me and Papa Honorable Adwoa Asare. MC Adamu Musa. Yeah, see. Yeah, we consensus chairman Honorable Harry Akutu. On any sala, Ahima Akutu, and Chow Mubby, Regima Pao Mubuama, Abitmanov, the Tumpong. A best minister, Abeshe, Yahao, Awabitmanov, now West Minister. A best say, Omoyan Tempting my now you goose may, the dream reads that more chukuno, on my equipment and mood, the intimate human tentem, Abitmanov, when they done a fire free. Kaswa be se kwa krani na no e kwani ye kwan papa ma wo mo asamre na bon ho modin bia but ahode ne wo fom e fi kasam sa e tra ban so o me so ya tin e be bo e pa e bi nya ba se wo hwe Bossman Asare e somewhat tete de yes e ba pa ne because ne yes ne na aso o ko fi on kona so zum ne ni e bon ye o ye nso class Masaka also soon not dream and says, as soon as I'm for 60 years, may ye do my part. My Ghana, ana nyame amwa kame ma wo ye boy the boss ma sare there masra ban so for the sake of even abrekumano funti man be bia specific bia wo Ghana ha na boss man sare enye adwuma wo you have na kanisa abrekumano ya to aba next 62 polling stations yan fan ka ho na boss man sare atumi akọ parliament according to us wakoloti bibia wie akastopia police protection no they declare election no
mpacho wo bre no aso kafra medasipi. Good morning, oya me last caller.
O family and food here be why. So we are be more corruption.
Ajeni moyenti o.
Ba ko ma get am. One family. Ma mo bre mu yai. And that come with that who you make church your money and I go to my farm. It comes down. I've been a mess. Malaysia, now with me, I go show you war in Canada. FBC, not Canada. National. What do you say? I mean, she has communication on a pattern of the manner. I know a part of the big man. I was so. Make sure you get the secretary. So, one year in the paper. And people who 1 year in the paper. If you have a some American yarn say, and if you go back over to the Bajo and the grammar. Yeah, the grammar. And the other people ban my own one. It's the other walk on the move some powder. Oh, what I didn't hear. What I heard man was one, or far. I did you. I'm checking to not right. I'm so bad in the day. And I was up when and I came. I'm not getting my way about the poor. I might get to that. Bye bye.
Ajeni mo medasipi aha ene de afrefo no ebesi ede amamomo amantumi amfre nyina no mo fa ncheye yeboa from ehokra de say panami refi kwashiman yes kwashiman yeboa te yenka no pay ye chiao Elliot Begbese wantumi amaso no pay Collins by enti ono kra na first caller
amamole
yes enti mo amantumi amaso na amma no mo na esofo ma me no mo no na me yado mo echi na ebesen hia right kwagu birthdays bi wo ho ana
me o birthdays kakra wa ha in fact na me baba ko birthday but ye Agnes January na ye ne birthday minim no from me wo no ho ofuriko asaka nanso won kran ha ya anya eho na wo sha odi ne dwuma kakra se fashion designer enti won na da so no.
Oh, very nice.
Agnes January, very, very soft-hearted person.
And you pum tade umbe sponsor.
Auntie Agi was more.
Almost sponsor. Mention ba ku mi no bia. I'm sure what you must say.
Fantastic. Inti Agnes Neo birthday. Happy birthday. Nyankopon shira na onti na nim chiro. Enye okese. Na minim se vision ne so. Inti wonwa na wonfa wonku drew vision ne ho. Na ma wi ase nyina ente wonka enya wasonfa so. Happy birthday. Ye loyal listeners ne baako. Your friend Mrs. Ida.
Okay.
Mrs. Ida or Kumasi CCC. Infin wa tech CCC infin wa na your birthday. Mrs. Ida, happy birthday. Nyankopon shira wonte na nimicho na onye okese na baby a wosusu ashyama so adu begina no wonfa wonyina ho woma wani munye dene na woma mama so nye dene nsen watamfo ne wotan wo bia na Nyankopon ma nyini nche na wonhunu baby a Nyankopon na nkasa wadi wo bedru enti Mrs. happy birthday. And then so ye me wofa eba penny ye me ba ne birthday ne ba penny ni dinya ye de friend wo fia ye Kofi dakwa nti na ye Kofi birthday Kofi happy birthday.
Okay.
Sisi e die Odakwabon abusua ne nyina ya wabetomo bie ene wose ene woni ene wo papa no mu nkuma ne wo fa no mu ne wo soa no mu nyina ne abusua ne nyina se ma wo dapa ne yanhyira yedie nkwatenten koso ene apomden papa wo mu no eno na yede ma kofi Nyankopon wo nhyira wo ne eye wa wo dai
Midase birthdays na san.
Mawi ha.
Okay. Ene me kwa de ne kwa de manfa bi ama phone ne kura no me de ato ba bi. Enti no ye be sorry so but then unse na me ka se nkomo kakra bi wo ho se ye wo be 7 minutes bi ntima me mfa 2 na me nja 5 na ma we de ye tiawa. De ye ka nyina ne se ye sra Ghana fo. Wo mu se enne ahokyere wo wiase obi apesika egu ni bottom nanso the rate at which as say nipa nwene ni nua ho
wenwene nipa nkwa ho
wonwene nipa nkwa ho se ade a wo ye no se ebema ni nua bi eho akyere no se ede ni nua be kwa kwada ya sabia se be kuni nua bi emfa ne ho
yo no benya gu ni bottom ni
ye wono benya ne no no wo dwene ho ye wa ha ena nano plantain chips fo di ba ye
amafo de rubber
yes
ene color
ye beka ye no ye kan ya wo se enye no kore da en wo ye gu wo madwuma ne ye gu madwuma enye se ye gu wo madwuma but nsɛmtwerɛfo ye dwuma kɛse baako a ɛwo no se ye bɛbɔ dawuru bɔ no ebetimi aye papa ebetimi aye bɔne ne ye exactly enti de ye papa no ye bɛkamfo de ye bɔne no ye bɛka se tia kopɛmo se ye behu nsakyera ye ɛna plantain chips fo die koda ye ɛno ye nka bi hye ye sese kwadu
am for the farmer
kwadu ene ye de ayi pressure na besi so kwadu no ye ma ne mre
sakane no no mo de nuom frɛ ne ka badi ɛna no won de hye entu hwɛ ho aye sei yellow but inside no say grow
kwadu no wo mo nyamma kwadu no emre ne atwa yesi akrebu ho pompi kwadu no ma ne ya akese yesre mu pi ɛna ma me frɛ me na me ka che nso esi akra na eja ma point me kwa koye bibi kakra na menya nkuruma nkwan bi a me de watamase ɛna ma me se Adwoa hwɛ wo ho ye ne titru pass se wo kwa koto wele ne momone a ɛna me se ma na wele ne momone de ɛwonso de ba ne san na no se hwɛ se sei wele ne momone no won se wele ne momone ya ade bi a once na mpa ho da wele ne momone once na ni enti se si ade a ebinom adwadifuo binom ye ne se yesi nnuro ya ye de abusua no ose badama menka nnuro ya ye de wofun
formalin no
ahin enu bi ne ada chemicals bi ne ye de wo momone no ene wele ne se de be ya nwansena emmesi so enti se wo kodwom na wo kwa akoto wele ana momone a obo se baby wo be kwa ye neat wele ne momone pa ko bi once na ba kokura nsi so me pa to ye careful ye enye se ye ba ha se ye begu obi adwuma na momomo so monwene ye ho bi
no
monwene ye ho bi enye sika na odi begu botom ne nko ho ne hia ye se chemicals a ye de hye wele ene momone se de be ya once na emmesisi so ane na edumo yesa
nipa adwene drusu mu pa o Adwoa
se ne yesi abontie aduan na nka enye safe but enne okoto abeno ano kura enye safe enna no ntosi ametoye ko eho dendende mi twemu se green
na pa ene Adwoa ye nton kramfama me ofa me nua ba
ti
anita kofo mu
FDA for ne environmental safety for no
EPA for we nyina mo environmental protection mum protect the environment this kwan sa kwan we
se se me ni ngo won kran yo me penwa enwo kokwa me kran wo
this all the free
raba because me pep
se me akra no say nkwan wo na me die
ana wo ye kwa ben kwan a wo pa ni ngo no asa
se nkwan wo na me die nya sa wo di si wa bo se ni na ye say fram
kwaku mi yemfansi na de aka no na menya ma wo
na me ka sembi hwe ayi fa picture no a me de ma wo akire no abrante no a ya ache no UCC ayi ne ho no fa ne to soma me we ani botata me enu pe ono nie
okay
ono ne ya ache no na midday ya the details ne beba
okay
nti de tie fo no mu nso ntwen wo pe ai na me ka sem MPP fo nye serious na me ka sa sem we si Adwoa we me nka nkwa akire bia hwe and ya pia kubi ni ntia na wose wo jai wontumi adwuma no meeting no course so na no ne si ye no Nanu meeting we see there be aya no maka say aban kwan de bebo machi. Wo to opposition, wo national security threat to.
Oh how?
Ni omo baye no opposition no. Ye the process for beko ho. Enye national security adwuma. Adwa nya bia ya woda. Me kire o video bia.
Okay.
Wo mo abato ya wo mo to internal election yi. Omo officers are yasmo from region. Anyone who work constituency ward hall say one friend the polling station and tokwa pupo. Wo the way bepe. It's unfortunate say man timi anya video ni ho adwuma fa ma Bitmise. Yes an ka be video ni kire. Na o de because ya kai na men kai o. Ya wada kai me na men fa sa video ni me kire o. Ni enti o munye serious. Ni enti a want me ekopri a plea of bargain or say bargain plea ya. And the appeal could be catch and say there be onim ne wo plea of bargain yi so. Kire say wo ya jon form so atum sampa. Enti jai. No mkoye meeting. Our flag bearer fee. Adwa me ma secret. Na wamu meeting no mu flag bearer here. Shati lawyer down. Now no so catch flag bearer say talk to your wife. Me penny here ye no. E no ho ka ho na say adwuma na me nkobi.
Oh how?
Adwa. What there in the coming days?
Oh how? Na say we plea bargain no. Say me be chire mu say. Eye nema mienu na wum. Either say ube plead guilty and no contest.
Mo.
Sir.
Now
No
silence means
plead guilty ni de magia tum se midifo.
I say oh ya gia tum so odifo.
Enna no contest no minifo. But convict exactly the court no ebeka bia no mejitum.
Na nya fodi.
Enti no enna use ye Sylvester tete so ama ye atiase say. So obi ekọ plea bargain na eno nkyere say we plead guilty.
Black law nkyere wana.
O say
black law na lawyer for na judge for no use no. Nia you can plea of bargain no say plea bargain no say bargain of plea. Sabro for no. Ni meaning e wo black law no mu no. Metimi ye ya kan kyere osisi a. Enti no ena de apia ku bi twe nkrofo na adwen asisu wo meeting na sese. Mu koye we yamba nkrofo kora nyaye. Enti twen ne yantwe ne tare mfa nkosi. Ena asem no koye se de bi yentwa so. Ena yentwa so no ano no koye kese ye wo ba nafa. Ena ndi ka kire se bacho kasa kire oyire na ma nafa. Enti san komoyi ena mpie free one di beka se ena yesa de adwan kura wonya nya bi ono.
na we wana neka.
Mo o de me see maka so me say me ka asem no me mfa ho nkomo ma. Maka we wa he. O pa ya woda me de wo mo nsam no ba. Me ma ho videos ni nyina wa. Na me nka kire ayi me wa fa basentale bi o. Ayi comptroller immigration. Na no na me ka o ma asem bi wa he. Enra wo mo san toto short ma me wo talk no so. Na no me ka kire o say o ma nhwe yi a. Niema bi a me behwe agu efom wa ha se. Bra 2024 wo mo ko election duty. Na kwan afa so a immigration officers a ye de wo mo ko election duty. List ni PA free immigration office headquarters ekodu Kevin Taylor nchen e wo US wan hwe ya meka be ba kan ho asem a. Me se mo mo ndem o. Wo mo nya me se
we no
wo mo
for de no.
And before there, who interest you?
The controller de no. Yem fe no nhye fridge mu.
Me se wo mo anya ne also wo mo ye na. I will crack them o.
Yati.
Na nyambo Thursday deserving ranks omo for ma de ma wo.
Nyambo Thursday yetna se a ye de aka no ebeto so enti abusuafo ha ena yedu ebesia no pay ewo Ghana today so ya ye debro wo Sompa 106.5 FM Accra odoma koma chia me Obrempong na kwaku ampoma na wote ne nkan medin de Adwoa Asare de tiefo nyina so sabre de Sompa Rhapsody bre ena edu so ye be wadwene no ene wakoma no ho adwuma nti koso a ema afidie no ena hanom sei.
hot kinky.
Just hot kinky.
And your hot. Just bread and pastries say. Just hot kinky dokono noa. Ye di yellow corn of vitamin A womono. Na ye 3 Ghana so the sepe.
3 Ghana so the sepe.
No more motor dokono wa monten so. And no mutu etono. Say dear. Occasion bia. Se wo pe dokono serve wa wo ho a. Wo de frey. Na ye customizing the amount. Say the wusi penny bia. Protein apesi e be ka ho. Ni ayama wo kama. Yes, we take orders for every occasion and you can customize the price of your orders based on the kind of proteins you like at a very affordable price. And to say obienim say just hot kinky and noa and ye de serve ya wo ho. Just bakery e wo dome commercial bank in Chenwa. And to fraying and wo 02560688832. Na yen customize your orders ne ma never serve wo say the wusi pen pepe. Just hot kinky.
Just hot kinky.
Hey, hot.